Your teacher may have created checklists for you in your eNovativePiano workbook. This tutorial will show you how they work. Checklists help you stay organized and on task, but do require that you report your progress when you work on a lesson. But first, you need to know how to view your checklists and the lessons that your teacher has included for each list. You can view your checklists and your checklist progress from the Recent Workbooks block on the dashboard, or from within the Workbook toolbox. Checklist information is shown on the left. On the right is your practice log. In this view, you can see your completion rate for each checklist. If you select the checklist title, you can see your self-reported progress status for each item on the checklist. If you want to practice one of the checklist lessons, just select the lesson title. After you have practiced, you will want to report your progress. Select Progress on the lesson page. Choose your progress status and save. When you report your progress, it will be updated on your checklist summary. Remember, items on your checklist will be marked as completed only when you have reported "I've got it" from the lesson page.